first time skiing, and honestly, we have no idea what we're doing. Come along as we hit one of South Korea's ski resorts and try not to fall every 5 seconds.
Day 4.
We left the hotel early and headed to the bus pickup point for our ride to the ski resort.
Good morning guys, so now we're waiting for our bus going to the ski resort here in Myeongdong Station. So now we're in the bus. We're heading now to the ski resort. We'll see you in 2 hours. So we're all geared up. Kanina may binabaan kami, nagbihis kami dun sa mga rental gear na kailangan namin para mag-ski. Ngayon papunta na kami sa main ski resort para maglaro. And Ayla is so cute! Sayan and Ayla, are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you feel warm?
Yeah. I don't feel cold at all.
For those who are curious, this is the Elysian Ski Resort.
Wow!
Elysian Ski Resort is one of the most convenient and beginner-friendly ski resorts near Seoul, popular for day trips, easy access, and gentle slopes perfect for first-timers. Ski season here usually runs from late November to early March, and fun fact, Elysian is the only ski resort in Korea you can reach directly by train. But for us, we booked a private tour package, so everything's sorted, bus ride, ski gear, the whole deal, super easy. Once you arrive, they'll give everyone a quick orientation so you know the layout and what to expect before hitting the slopes.
Escalator, go upstairs, practice, and you eat lunch.
After the orientation, they'll send you over to get fitted for all your ski gears so you're fully ready for the slopes. And then they give you a short starter lesson, just the basics to get you moving safely before you hit the real slopes.
Now they're teaching us how to do the basic skiing. We're gonna do it later with ourselves.
Body weight, go to mountain dive. 1, 2, 3.
This one is struggling.
Everyone, congratulations. Graduation.
Graduation! Woo! Finally!
Yourself, right?
At ito nga guys, nagsisimula na kami mag-ski. At kita nyo, napapalagiran kami ng snow. Pero pakiramdam ko ngayon, sobrang init. So, talagang nasobrahan yata ako ng gear. Yung jacket na nirent namin, sobrang init. Kaya nagpapahinga muna ako kasi tagaktak ng pawis ko. Pag sa likod, tagaktak na. Pero itong mga bata, ito nagsisimula na mag-enjoy. Ayla, can you come here and I'll video you? Ito nga sa'yan. Go, go. Show it. Uy, galing Ayla talaga. Uy, si Ayla ang pinakamagaling. Uy. Uy. Uy, ang galing Ayla. Ayla is so good. Look at this, a crying boy still. Okay, go. Uy, oh, it's going down now. Hey, 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 hey. Like for me, what does snow feels like? Ah, ayan, para siyang halo-halo, guys. Ayan oh, pinong-pino siya. Try natin batuin si Lucas. Ayan, babatuin ko si Lucas. Lucas! Lucas! So ayan, hindi na rin nag-i-ski si Joyce kasi kailangan i-supervise sa mga bata. Kasi ang problema dito, once you fall at hindi mo tinanggal yung ski mo, hindi ka makakatayo. Ayan, nagyaya ng kumain si Joyce, gutom na. Hayaan mo lang sila! Ah, oh. Kakapagod din pala mag-ski. Saka papawisan ka. Masyadong mainit. So hot, right? Ayla's enjoying. Uy, ang galing talaga shy ball ko ah. Uy! And Ayla and Zayn doesn't know how to ski. Can you try?
I'm waiting for Ayla.
Parang ganda dito guys, oh. Papakita ko yung lugar. Yan siya. Lahat ng puting yan is snow siya, tapos nasa gitna siya ng bundok. Ito yung pinaka first level. First level ito, kaya medyo hindi siya, yung slope niya medyo mababa. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, it's so fast. Oh, you'll... Hey! Hey, Ayla! Ay, stop! Yun. Dapat sinasabi to, pero ang init talaga. Ang init. Yay! Oh, what happened to Ayla? So, para sa mga first timers na kagaya namin, lahat ng ito rented siya. Kapag sinuot mo, mabigat. Actually, mabigat siya. Pati itong snowshoes na gamit namin, rented siya. Pero mabigat din. Kaya, hindi pala biro ang mag-skiing. Kasi, meron kang force na binubuhat sa katawan mo habang naglalaro ka. Kaya, kahit malamig, dahil sa effort na ginagawa mo, papawisan ka. Kaya, you should have the proper clothes and gear. Ako nasobrahan ko, kaya ito ngayon. Ang init-init ang pakiramdam ko.
By lunchtime, we took a break and enjoyed our meal. Just a heads up, food isn't included in the package, so you'll have to cover that yourself. After filling up, the kids were recharged and immediately headed back out to the slopes for another round of skiing.
Wait lang. Kuya pa. A ha, A. Don't forget the A.
After a while, the kids took a break from skiing and just played around in the snow, having the best time.
Ayan si Bobski, ubos ang pera
Isang pera ko.
para sa gala. Kamsahamnida, South Korea.
And then it was time to pack up and return all our gear. Our ski day was officially coming to an end, and we were ready to head home.
And that's it. Tapos na ang aming skiing experience. Masaya, kaya lang nakakapagod. Hindi ko akalain na very hard work pala ang pag-ski kasi napakapagat ng mga gears. But it's a good experience, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again on our next adventure. Nakikita niyo yan, ang tawag nila dyan is Twosome Place. Twosome Place. Sabi ko, pangit naman kapag tinawag nila yung Threesome Place. So guys, we are here in Myeongdong. Siyempre, dinner. Kahit saan. Paborito ng mga bata. Ayan. McDonald's. Tara, kain muna kami. And then mamaya, gusto daw ulit nila mag-street foods. Kaya, food trip na naman. Dito sa McDonald's sa Korea, meron silang tinatawag na Prosperity Burger. Ayun yun, kaya tatry natin kung mga bang kakaiba sa kanya. First bite ng Prosperity Burger. Ito. Hindi siya yung traditional na patty ng McDonald's. Kakaiba. Sarap. Only in South Korea.
After our light dinner, the kids were tired for more street food, so we just wandered through the Myeongdong Underground Market to pick up some souvenirs before heading back.
Ayla, you want that? Squid Game.
And that wraps up our
Yung
day.
hindi
Thanks for
binahati.
hanging out with us. Don't
Yeah.
forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for our next adventure.
Walang crap.